Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the snapshot camera. Do this now. Open the app and pick front or back camera, then look at the top icons to identify filters or portrait mode. Tap and hold on your subject. That engages focus lock or reveals a depth blur indicator. If you see blurred edges or a portrait icon, that's the effect you'll remove. Once done, make sure the lens picker is closed so you can change focus settings in the next step. Now disable the depth or portrait effect. Swipe through filters until you land on the default camera lens. This clears most focus blur overlays. If you see a portrait or depth icon, tap it to toggle off. That removes the simulated bokeh. When a lens is active, open the lens carousel and choose the plane camera option so Snapshot stops forcing focus on one plane. Make sure to test by tapping different areas on screen to confirm. Finish by confirming normal focus. Tap the scene to refocus and capture a test snap. If blur returns, close and reopen Snapshot. Sometimes a restart clears a stuck effect. Make sure the app is updated and camera permissions are allowed because software glitches often mimic depth problems. If problems persist, restart your phone or switch cameras. This rules out hardware autofocus faults. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall Snapshot before assuming the camera itself is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.